getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might bring. I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, oh, maybe I belong somewhere above the water. My lungs are tired from running for a long time. My feet got blisters, but maybe I belong if I love a little harder. If I love all the ways the world puts me to the test, if I embrace every fall, learn to grow and keep myself tall, would it hurt at all? I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, oh, you put me through, and you never be a good lover, a good lover. At first I believed I was the lucky one, but I was just fooling myself, fooling myself. You think you can talk sense to me, like we are gonna be okay. We're not okay, so is this gonna take all night? Don't wanna waste no more time, yeah, you're damn right. Already gave you my love once, but now I'm fed up, gonna take it